Clarity is all we need. How do we get clarity? There are many ways, and there are a couple of tools we can use. In this video, I'll show you my top 5 crystals for clarity. Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, where we teach how to use crystals to bring magic to our day-to-day lives. If you like this video or learn something new, don't forget to share and like. So I'm gonna start this video with a disclosure. I'm a big sci-fi person. I love it. A few years ago, I was watching The Strain, Guillermo del Toro, The Strain. I think it was halfway through season 3, in which the situation in New York City has come to a really state of emergency. I'm not gonna give away the plot, but so here's the situation. The city's director of security finally acknowledged the threat of this supernatural enemy, and she suddenly finds a new purpose as a result of having a moment of extreme clarity. And I was like through the roof. I was like, woo! And I was, yeah, you go, girl. I was so excited, and then I came to a hard stop. And the reason is, clarity is not an exceptional event, a rarity, nor a privilege, much less is a product of duress or any low vibration state. Clarity must not have any adjective. Clarity just is. Many of you who are followers of Abraham Hicks might have seen videos here in YouTube, perhaps audio files, in which Abraham/Esther speaks about clarity. Because clarity is all we need. So what is it? Clarity is the quality of being coherent and intelligible. Wow, it's a wordy word. Meaning easily understandable. Clarity is also the quality of transparency or purity. Basically, to see without cloudiness or misinterpretation. To see clearly is to have a revelation, the ultimate answer that we seek, either for peace or a call to action. There are many ways to help our intention to seek and receive with clarity. For those who have a meditation practice, that's the first. Every time you are in a moment of clarity, make it last. Practice that vibration until you make that your state of being. While you are practicing, crystals are wonderful tools to help with this, and you can use them in your meditation too. So here are my top 5 crystals for clarity. Number 1, optical calcite, also known as Iceland spar. It brings insight, it brings clarity and alignment. This crystal has a powerful third-eye connection. It's a crystal of purity. Number 2, amethyst, for many reasons. As a master healer, it helps with mental and emotional imbalance. It's a crown chakra crystal that will open your awareness and ability to receive guidance. Number 3, fluorite. This wonderful crystal releases mental blocks, increases the ability to concentrate, helps with stress, and I personally call it the student's crystal because of all these qualities makes it the perfect learning aid. Number 4, aquamarine. One of the things that blocks our ability to have clarity is our emotional state. Aquamarine is the crystal for relaxing. It delivers calming and cleansing energy. And number 5, any heart crystal, the one that speaks to you. Why? Because that's where the clear answer is. Let me know in the comments below if you start experimenting with these crystals, and when did you find that moment of clarity that has been different from what you have experienced so far. Before you go, don't forget the videos and the links below, and if you like this video, like and subscribe. Until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic. Thanks for watching.